is going to help take off every bad fat, every fats that have been causing, that have been accumulating in your belly and making you have a very big belly. It's going to dissolve all those fats. You're going to like excrete different things that you don't even expect. Like you're going to see yourself excreting out different kind of things from your body. So welcome back to my channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, this is HBM. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell below. Yeah, so it's long time no video. Like I think it's up to 2 weeks I uploaded a video now. Sorry, yeah, I've been busy. I'm undergoing herbs and plant study right now. I'm studying more on herbs that you can use to solve different kind of skin problems, and I'm also studying more on herbs that can be used to cure infections, herbs that you can use for people that are having infertility issues. Like seriously guys, dealing with herbs has been something that is in me. It's in my blood, it's in my lineage. So I don't know, you know, this force that pushes someone, you know, to go deeper into knowing some things is just what is driving me into this. And well, I believe it's my fate. So just watch out. Very soon I'll be dropping more videos on herbalism, herbs that you can use on your skin to solve some chronic skin infection. Believe me, we have chronic skin infection, and also herbs that you can use for, you know, general welfare and other things. So just watch out, and please turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on all these. So today I want to teach you how you can make a flat tummy herbal drink. So I'll just be teaching you how you can use one seed and you're going to have a very flat tummy. This is one of the things I've learned so far. So yeah, I'm bringing them to you also. You know, I will have to give you some why I monetize some, because that is how it is, okay? But believe me, what I'm giving you, what I want to give you now, just go and put it into practice, and I know you will come back and come and tell me, HBM, this is working, because it worked for me. Like it's worked for me. This seed I'm about to show you is actually what I use. I used it, and before I used it, I actually used it because I want to see if for sure it's going to flatten my belly, like give me more flattened tummy. And when I used it, not only that it flattened my tummy, it also did something that surprised me. Yeah, I was taught that it can be used for womb cleansing, for people trying to conceive, for people that have infection. Like if you're having any infection in your body, you're having any kind of infection, you all know that at times infertility problem is being triggered mostly by infection. So this is going to help not only to flatten your tummy. I used this seed last month, and immediately I used this seed last month, I saw my period. I think I saw my period 4 days after. So when my period came normal. Like before, I've been having this abnormal period because lately I've been having irregular menstruation. Like my menstruation does not come normally, you know, the way my menses will come normally. I don't see my menstruation normally. At times it will come 2 days, at times it will be 3 days, and normally it has to be 4 days. Even on the 5th day it has to drop, you know. So after I used this seed, I saw my period the 4th day, and that 4th day, man, the blood really flowed well. Like if you see the blood flow, you will know that yes, my period has not been regular, because the period has not been coming normally. So if you see the blood flow that day, in fact I was really shocked. Like I was like, wow, you know, I was so happy. I really enrolled for the trado school I'm in now, because I was so surprised. And believe me, from then till now, my period has been coming out regularly, like the way it should come. And I only took this just once, because I've not tried taking it ever since then. I only took it just once, and like the whole of my system went back to normal. to the way it has to be, it used to be. So that is why I actually brought this recipe, so that I'll share this recipe with you guys. But basically, if you want to flatten your tummy, like you have this pot belly, you want to flatten it, a man can take this, a woman can take this. So if you want to flatten your belly, you want to have a flat belly, use this. If you know you're trying to conceive, use this, because it will help cleanse your womb. You know, most of the time when you're trying to conceive, you need to do you need to flush your system, you need to cleanse your womb. You know, when you cleanse your womb, you prepare your womb for conceiving, because there are so many things that may not let you conceive. So this seed will actually cleanse your wombs. So without wasting much time, let me just show you the seed and tell you how you can actually use the seed. So the seed is called croton seed. This is how it is. It is called croton seed, and I think in Yoruba they call it aworosho. So I think the Yorubas, they call it aworosho. So this is how it is. This is how it is. Yeah, just like this is how it is. So I don't know if you can see. This is how it is. Can you see? So this is how the seed is. So this seed is very small, but it is mighty. Okay, all you need to do is just for you to buy this seed. When you buy this seed, like I said, the Yoruba name is aworosho, the English name is croton. They call it croton seed. I'll be dropping the picture on the screen, and I'll be dropping the name, okay, on the screen. I'll be dropping the English name, so in case you're not in Nigeria, you should be able to get the seed from your country. Okay, this seed is very, very effective. I would like you to use this seed and get back to me. So now, if you want to flatten your tummy, you want to clear yourself of infection, you want to cleanse your system, this is going to do it for you. This is going to make you visit your toilets, because if you don't visit your toilet, that means it's not working. So the only way this will work on you is when you visit your toilet. Believe me, the day I used this, I went to toilet, like I stood, and before you know it, my tummy, I couldn't even feel my tummy anymore. Within 24 hours, I had a flat belly. My tummy became very flat. I was so shocked, I was so surprised. So that is why I'm just here to just share the recipe with you. So when you get this, take a little bit, pour into your blender, the smallest cup of your blender, crush this into powder. But before you pour into your blender, try to make sure you destone, because at times most of this seed come with stones. So try to make sure you destone it, pour into your blender cup, crush it very well. After you crush it, pour it into a airtight container, then you keep. So that is your flat tummy powder drink, and that also serve as your infection flusher powder drink. Okay, so it also serves as your womb cleanser powder drink. If you want to take your croton seed powder, this is the best way to take it. Take it early in the morning before you have your meal. Okay, get a cup and get a cup of water, probably warm water. Then you just take a little bit, like sprinkle a little bit of croton seed powder on top of your water. You stir and drink on an empty stomach. Okay, but please, anytime you're taking this, make sure that you're not going out for that day. And please do not pack too much powder and pour into your water to drink, because you just need little. You need little. If you take too much of this, it can harm you. Okay, it can harm you because you're going to purge. This is going to purge you. So let me just explain the quantity you need by making example, by using 2 seeds of this as an example. So take for an instance, if you just crush these 2 seeds and you pour it into a cup of water, that is what you need. Or instead of blending your seed, you can just take 2. Okay, make sure you clean it very well with your palm, then you throw the 2 inside your mouth, you use your teeth to grind it, and you swallow, you take water. You're okay with that too. So after taking the 2 seeds, you don't need to take this morning, night. You don't need to take it every day. Okay, so if you're the kind of person that have a very big belly and you want to flatten your belly, you can take this one day, then the next day do not take it. Now it depends on your system. If this purges you a lot, okay, if this purges you a lot, you can just take this like 3 times in a week, okay. But if this does not purge you all the time, like you're this kind of a person that have this strong system, like most of the time some people, what we purge Mr. A is not going to purge Mr. B. The dose that will purge Mr. B will not purge Mr. C. Do you understand? So if this does not really purge you that much, you can do 1 day on, 1 day off. But if it purges you a lot, you can take it 3 or 2 times in a week, okay, just to detox your system, just to flush out every dirt and excess fat in your belly. So this is going to help take off every bad fat, every fats that have been causing, that have been accumulating in your belly and making you have a very big belly. It's going to dissolve all those fats. You're going to like excrete different things that you don't even expect. Like you're going to see yourself excreting out different kind of things from your body. So just give this a try out, like I said, and tell me how far it went with you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more of this video, just tell me HBM you want more. At least let me know if you want it, so that I don't keep dropping videos that you don't want. Yeah, so thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.